This is Strider.
And this is Travis.
Today we will be showing you how to solve a percentage and proportion problem.
The constraints we had for this problem was to document each step you used in the problem-solving process and to present at least one model and present a mathematical equation.
The problem that we have been giving is Jimmy gave 60% of a sum of money to his wife, 25% of the remainder to his mother. He still had $240 left. How much was the sum of money? The research that we did were definitions. First, percentages. Fractions of 100 and can be noted in decimal and fraction form. Example, 60 over 100 equals 60%.
The sum is the answer to an addition problem. Example, 3 plus 4 equals 7.
Money. And lastly, money, a unit of measurement consisting of a base 10 number system. We hypothesized that using percentages and prior knowledge of percentages that equal each other, we will find the amount of money Jimmy started out with.
This is the amount of money Jim started out with. We are trying to find how much money this represents. It is equal to 100%.
He gave 60% of the money to his wife, which left 40%. Now, if you remember, in the problem it says Jimmy's mom gets 25%, which, as we know from our research, can be simplified into the fraction 1/4. So we take 40 and divide it by 4, it equals 10, which is how much his mom and Jimmy gets the rest.
Now that we know the percentages, we can find the amount of money each person gets. We know Jimmy has $240, and that is 30%, so we divide it by 3 to get his mom's and his wife. It's just either 2 times his or 6 times his mom's, so she had 400. Now if we add them all up, we get $800.
We know that Jim ended up with $240 in his 30%, so we can find that 10% equals 80, because if you divide $240 by 3, we get $80. Jim's mom had 10%, so she had $80. Using this, we can find how to find the answers 2 ways.
We have $80 as 10%, so multiply 80 by 10 and we get 800, so our answer is $800.
The second way you could find the answer to the problem is by saying 60 times 80 equals 480, and that is his wife's money. So we add up $480 plus $240 plus $80, and we get $800, the total amount.
We can conclude that our hypothesis was correct, and using our research, we have come to the conclusion that the amount of money Jim started out with was $800.
Just to refresh your memory, our hypothesis was that we hypothesized using percentages and prior knowledge of percentages that will equal each other, we will find the amount that he started out with. If any questions or comments, please comment on the YouTube page.